Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into Pi Network in 2025, what's new, where the Mainnet stands and what all the buzz is about price speculation. Let's kick off with a quick refresher. Pi Network started as a mobile mining project in 2019, promising to make crypto accessible to everyone right from their phones. Fast forward to 2025, and the landscape looks pretty different. So, what's actually changed? For starters, the Mainnet launch finally happened. After years of waiting, Pi transitioned from its enclosed testnet to an open mainnet at the end of 2024. That means users can now send, receive, and trade Pi coins outside the app, and a real ecosystem of apps and services is starting to pop up. One of the biggest updates? KYC, Know Your Customer, verification is now smoother and faster. The team rolled out new AI-powered checks, so millions more users have verified their accounts and unlocked their Pi. That's a huge step forward because only KYC-verified users can move their Pi to the mainnet and actually spend it. And what about the Pi ecosystem? Well, there are now hundreds of projects being built on Pi's blockchain, from simple payment apps to NFT marketplaces and even some gaming platforms. Developers are busy experimenting. The Pi hackathons in early 2025 saw some real breakthrough ideas, and several of them are already live and gathering users. But let's be honest, what everyone wants to know is, what's Pi worth now? Here's the deal. Right after the mainnet opened, a few exchanges started listing Pi for trading. Prices were all over the place, with some early hype pushing it close to $100 per Pi, but things quickly settled down. As of August 2025, Pi is mostly trading in the $5 to $10 range, depending on the exchange and market conditions. Remember, this is still super volatile. The coin supply is huge, and not all Pi can be moved or sold, yet there are still lots of coins locked up with unverified users. Price speculation is everywhere. Some people think Pi's price could shoot up if the ecosystem grows and more real-world businesses accept it. Others say the supply is just too large for big gains anytime soon. My take? It's way too early to call Pi a success or a flop. We'll need to see more adoption, real-world usage, and maybe even some regulatory clarity before a stable value emerges. Before you get too excited or worried, just remember that crypto is risky. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. So that's the latest on Pi Network in 2025. Mainnet progress, ecosystem growth, and price speculation all wrapped up. What do you think the future holds for Pi? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.